SignalPeak is going crazy, guys. I've never seen a service get this popular so quick. I've been in here for about 4 months, 3 months to 4 months, and I've been making crazy gains, all right? But there is also a huge growth in numbers. There's now over 11,000. Let me show you what SignalPeak is, how you can get done for free days before you have to pay a single penny. All right, guys, you can see here over 11,000 subscribers. I got in at around the 3,000 mark. If you've been following this channel, you will see that I am telling the truth, and you can watch all the videos. Now, guys, what is this, okay? You're going to get access for free days if you decide to hit my link down below. I'll make a tiny bit of commission when you do pay your membership, and you will save yourself $100. Okay, so instead of the lifetime being $750, it's actually only going to be $650 for you. Okay, I'm going to save you that $100. You can get an affiliate link yourself, guys, and start making 30% commission too, which is absolutely insane. But here it is. Okay, so you get 3 days for free. You can pay a monthly fee or a lifetime fee. And what do you get? You get over 100 groups of crypto and over 45 of Forex, all into one service. You don't have to pay multiple memberships. Now, one of the ones that I've been using absolutely is slapping, guys, all right? And it is probably, I want to say, the most popular on there, but maybe it's just my favorite. But it's Binance Killers, all right? Binance Killers is probably the best crypto signals out there, and most of the time it's like $1,500 a month or lifetime, $1,500 a month to pay. This is unbelievable, guys. This is included in the package. And you can see here, this is how a signal is sent. And the reason Binance Killers is so good is because they send markups like this instead of just the signal, which is this. Okay, so they send the markup. They show you all the different strategy, what they're using, where they think it's going to go up. All right, they send you the signals. So the token, YFI to USDT, they'll say it's long or short. They'll give you the entry. This is when you should get in. This, guys, I had someone ask me on YouTube the other day. This, when there's two prices, means that in between. So if you are anywhere in between these two, get involved. If you're outside, do not get. And if you're before, do not get involved. Only in between. Okay. They will tell you the targets. So these are the short-term targets first. Okay, this is what it's looking for. Midterm is looking for this, guys. Okay, and if you want to be more adventurous, you can do your own trading. Stop loss here. Always put a stop loss on so you don't lose all your money. So, guys, this is incredible. And if you look at some of the gains from this, all right, just go up to see 32% profit, 138% profit, 128% profit. That's why this is so popular. All right, guys, what I want to show you now is how you actually check the trades are going in the direction that you believe. What I mean is you should never just take a trade off the judgment of another trader. Now, yes, signals are sent to make your life easier. Of course they are. But if you start to learn just a tiny bit, which I'm going to show you, how to look at TradingView, is it in the right direction? Is it completely crazy? Okay, once you learn that, guys, all right, it becomes much easier. So let me do this for you. Let me show you how to take one of the latest trades. Okay, latest trade is here. Now, I'm going to make this large. You don't need to see. Sorry. I'm going to make this large so we can take a trade. So the trade is Algo BTC. So let's search that first. You're going to go into TradingView. Okay, you're going to click this search button and let's go Algo BTC. And then always put .p for perpetual. Algo BTC. Perfect. So we're now here, okay? Now the indicators I'm using are telling me when to sell, when to buy. All right, if you want to know them indicators, just get in with a VIP, ask the question, and I will let you know as well. All right, so I'll go BTC. Now we can see here, all right? Now, again, you do not have to be a trader to notice that the absolute trend going on right now is a huge sell, okay? That's the trend on the 1 hour chart. So every hour it's going lower and lower and lower. You don't need to be an expert to see that. So we go back to the signal, okay? What's it telling us to do? It's telling us to buy, okay? Buy at 0.0000181, which is exactly where it is right now. So they're saying buy right this second, okay? And this is, they're doing this from the 4 hour chart. So if we change our chart to 4 hours, then just match everything that comes to the signal, okay? They're saying that here, it's going to be a buy. Now, why are they saying this? Okay, for me personally, I would wait a little bit longer to take this signal. But again, I'm not an expert trader. So if you're going to go with the expert trader's advice, go with them. The first thing they're going to be looking at is this right here. When these lines cross, there is a momentum change, okay? This is an indicator. Again, you can ask what it is. So the lines cross here, and we started to see it then sell. The lines have crossed again, okay? Which means there is going to be a momentum change. The last time they crossed was this. Came all the way down here, momentum changed back up. So what do we have here? We have a buy candle. You see that? This is a buy candle. It started to push up. We've seen down, 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 and it pushed up a little bit. We are now sat with this candle where it's telling us to buy it. So this could be the support and resistance level needed to then push up. Again, guys, I'm not a professional trader. They're telling you it's going to go back up. If it does, great, the signal worked. Personally, I'm going to give you the honest truth. This signal, I would wait until this candle finishes. If this candle finishes as a buy, okay, if this finishes blue, like this, to here, I would then buy all the way up just like they've said. But I like to just make sure myself. So guys, that's how you can check the signals on TradingView and make sure that you're comfortable with it yourself. So if you want to get involved, guys, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell to be notified. SignalPeak is incredible, and one day they will raise their prices again. So get that lifetime locked in, and I'll see you next time.